Jonah's catching him a summer nap out there on the glider. You see him? That's the picture of summer right there. Napping on the front porch. One of the pictures of summer. Popsicle time is also a picture, isn't it? It's Saturday, y'all. We're getting ready to have a little cookout. So I'm coming out here to clean up the back porch. I think we've already got the green egg ready, I think. Let me straighten up all these shoes first. This is where we put all the shoes. I'm gonna go ahead and get the potatoes ready. We're gonna make some Hasselback potatoes in the air fryer. Everybody normally just eats about half of a potato because we're gonna have burgers, salads, potatoes. I don't know what else. Titus, he'll be coming in with something, who knows. Let me see how many I'm gonna be able to fit in here. Yeah, we can fit those in there perfect. And I think that'll be enough, because like we got chips and stuff too, so. I looked up cooking these in the air fryer and it said to go ahead and preheat it. So we're gonna preheat it to 350. We take the potatoes and we put a little wooden spoon of some sort right there beside it. That way when we go down with the knife, it doesn't cut all the way through the potato. And I'm gonna have to use one of Titus's knives for this, because his are better than mine. I'm trying to make sure this spoon isn't too thin, because we don't want the bottom to go through. That's pretty good. It's not going all the way to the bottom. See that? That's good.
Well, I do sometimes like hot dogs.
I'm a little bit worried, as big as this potato is, that it's gonna break, but it doesn't matter if it breaks in half anyway, like I said, because we're gonna half them anyhow, whoever wants a potato, since we have the chips and all, so. But there we go. There's one potato. That's kind of fun. I mean, look at that. Isn't that? Still got about a minute left on the air fryer warming up, so I'm gonna melt some butter real quick. Or I think, you know what, I think I'll just do olive oil at first, and I'll be melting the butter and all, because we're gonna let them cook for 15 minutes, and then we open it up, and it said to put more butter on them, but I'm just gonna do olive oil first, then we'll open it up and put butter, and maybe I'll mix a little garlic powder and some different stuff with the butter that we'll put on here. Smells like a good one. Has anybody else ever noticed how watermelon kinda smells like fresh cut grass? When you cut the grass later, smell that.
I'll cut the grass.
I'm just kidding. It does to me. Watermelon smells like fresh cut grass sometimes. Yeah? No? Okay.
Kinda does. I've never thought about it that way, but it kinda does.
Okay, the first 15 minutes is up. I'm just gonna see how tender they are. Pretty good. I think I'm gonna go 20 more minutes on them this time though, instead of just 15. Sissy got me some melted butter with a little bit of garlic powder in it. We'll just brush this over the top of them. And do 20 minutes. We got everything cleaned up. Now we gotta go to the store to get the stuff that we're making for homecoming tomorrow. Sissy's making cupcakes. Jonah's making mac and cheese. We don't know what we're making yet. Looks like a bathroom in here. Daddy's got toilet paper in the back seat, mouthwash right here. Floss picks in the glove compartment. Hanover, well, Allen's is $2.98 or Hanover's is $2.98. Green beans, deviled eggs, cupcakes, macaroni and cheese. Y'all are getting so big.
What, Donut Town?
Yeah, they must be stuck in the barn.
The water hose is up.
Greetings.
Staying dry? We're gonna be making green beans in the slow cooker. Okay, we're dumping in the green beans. I have another big can if, when we get all 3 of these in there, if I see that we need that other one, we'll open up that other one too, John.
Talking about a good smell.
The green beans.
In that crock pot last night, cooking through the house.
Yeah.
Some great things happen.
Smelled like Grandma's house. Those are Grandma's green beans right there. Let's just take a quick, There's Jonah's macaroni and cheese and Sissy's cupcakes. Oh, y'all found a train set?
Yeah. Oh, where's the magnet?
I have